Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's dive into lesson 2. In lesson 2, we have a different concept regarding the Swift language in which we have very fundamental data type like we have int, double, bool, string. So this is very simple fundamental data types we can use in every language. You can see in every language. After that we have a collection type as well, in which we use array, set, and dictionary as well. So this is a different collection type as well. We will see into difference between variable and const. Let's say like var that is mutable, it can be changeable. Like if we define the var, we can change the value of var as well. And the let, we cannot change the value of let. So this is what we then have a tuples or grouping value. Like in tuples we can use multiple values. Like in array we can use only single data types, but in tuples we can use multiple data types as well. After that we will see the handling add sense. That's we can use the optional. This is very using in Swift language. We also have a null data type if you want to not assign the value to anyone. And then we also have a safety check clarity that check the data types, that which data type you have assigned or which you want to be assigned to particular thing. So this is what the safety check is. So this is what the simple, like we can use the var and let, like it can be used for managing state, and then var is mutable and let is immutable. Fact. Then we have a array. It can be used for managing data collections, and that is mutable. It can be mutable. Yes. And int, bool, strings, it's depend upon the which variable you have assigned, like you use the var or let. So this is regarding it, and it is strongly typed. Perfect. And this is tuple. It is using for the grouping value, like you can use multiple values in it, and it is immutable and it is strongly typed. So this is all about the foundations, data type, and mutability. Like let's now dive into the code. So this is the simple interface of our, like say, Xcode. So first we have to use import foundation. So this is like a library that is used to import all the necessary things from the Xcode. Like you can use the det or each and everything. Perfect. So let's, like, first how can we define the variables? Like we read two variable. One is like var and second one is let. Perfect. Let's first write the var, like var. Let's read the first var. Perfect. So let var name is equal to, that's my name, Suresh. Perfect. So this is my name. Perfect. So print, let's print it. Okay. Print it and run it. It will take some time to run it. Perfect. So this is what I'm seeing. Let me clear it again. So run it. Perfect. So this is I'm getting Suresh. Perfect. This is what var. Now var can be a changeable. We can change the value of var. Perfect. Like let's change the value of name is equal to then Kumar. Perfect. So now assume that what will get the value. Just hold on. Perfect. Now let's run the value. See, we get the value Kumar, so var can be changeable. Perfect. Now let's use let last name is equal to Kumar. Perfect. Print it. Last name. Perfect. Just run it. See, we again get the Kumar. Let's change it so it should not be very confusing. Let's get it. See, Kumar 1. Now let's assume that we want to change the value of let's L name is equal to, I'm living in Lahore, so I'm writing the Lahore. Let's change the value of Lahore and see, we are getting the value cannot assign to value L name is let constant. Because let is constant, we cannot change the value of let. So in this way we get two major concepts. One major concept is that var, we can change the value of var to anytime, anywhere, no any restriction on it. If you want to change the value of let, it isn't allow us to change the value of let variable. Perfect. So you have to define only once value of let, and you cannot then change the value of let variable. Perfect. This is what we use. So yes, you can use the we can comment two-way in Swift. Comment two-way. Perfect. This is single line comment, and forward slash asterisk. This is multi-line comment. So this is only two way you are using the comment. Perfect. This is all about our var and let variable. Perfect. Now let's dive more into our data types. Let's let age is equal to 15. Perfect. So this is automatically Xcode assume this is the integer data type. What this is integer data type. And if you want to assume or want to give it data type, you can give it by like int. So you can also give the data type like this as well. If you want to give a string, you can also use that string as well. Any data type you can use for the like this. So yeah, so this is considered has to be a string, and if we do that way, that will be integer, and that is also integer. Perfect. So this is what integer contain whole number. It cannot be after a point or like something. Perfect. Now let's var, like we can use any temp variable, and we can assign it double, like 25.5. like double is used for the after the digit, like point. You can see over there, we can use the double after the point. So you can double is very large number like this. Perfect. So this is what double. Perfect. Now we can use the bool as well. Bool have have two values. One is, it either can be a true or false. Perfect. This is what the bool value has. Like let's let is user logged in, and we assign it is equal to true. Perfect. This is what sign. If you want to print it down, you have to simply write print and then just write the variable names. Like we write age over there, we print age int is equal to 15, and you also use over there like bool. Perfect. And if you want to print print temp, write just temp variable. And if you want to print print like is user logged in. Perfect. So here what we will get, we are going to get the 15. After the temp variable, we are going to get the 25.5. Perfect. Let's run it. See, we getting 15.5. After that we are using 25, and the value is set with true. If you want to give it false and assume, what will we get? We'll get the value of false over there. Perfect. This is what false value. Perfect. So this is now let's move towards the string. Like string is the string is the set of characters. Perfect. Let's we can use the different university name, like yes, what uni and name, and my university name is Kashi University. Sorry for spelling. Kashi University, Lahore. Yep. So this is what a string. It contains the multiple sentences. So yep, you can write have any length of string. It's not defined that you can only use a particular length of string. You can write anything, whatever would you like to write. Okay, so now let's print it out. Uni and name. What will I get the output? Assume I will get Kashi University, Lahore. See, how cool is that? Perfect. So yeah, so we can continue in very next video. I will share this code on my GitHub profile as well. So thank you for watching this.